Hey guys, it's Trish back with another video. Today we're going to be making a fun frame to put the kids' spring or summer pictures into. I'm going to be using these really cute, delightful daisies and Feelin Flowerful buttons from Dress It Up Buttons. This wooden frame base also can be found on Dress It Up Buttons website. You're going to need a glue gun, some paint, a paintbrush, and your buttons and your frame. So let's get started, guys. Okay, so I just started out by painting my frame in this turquoise color. I used acrylic paints. It seemed to work out pretty good. I did have to do 3 coats, but in the end it came out really nice and finished looking. So that is ready to go. I've painted that ahead and let that dry. The first thing we're going to do is just take a little bit of ribbon. This is a 3/8 inch wide, and I'm just going to cut a little piece of this. It seems like so. Then we're just going to make a little bow. Make your bow however you like it, but I just make a simple little bow and pull the ends in and then adjust and then tighten again. And we have a cute little bow there. And then we're going to go ahead and cut the ends of it at an angle just to give it a nice finished look. And just like that. So we have a cute little bow that we can put on the bottom. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to take one of our cute little flowers here and decide what color I want on the center. Let's see. How about pink? That would be cute. All right, so I'm just going to take, these are already flat backed, so no need to cut the shanks off of those. I have cut the shanks off of my larger buttons, and I'll show you that in just a minute. We're just going to take a dab of hot glue and put that on. And then put our little flower in the middle and just hold it there for a second. And now it all depends on what direction you want your frame to go. Now on the back here you can see there's holes. There's 2 holes. This is for if you want it to be up and down, and this one's for if you want it to sit sideways. There is a little stick that comes with this that you can put in your frame to set it up, and I'll show you that in the end. So now that our little flower is adhered, I think I'm going to have my frame going this way. So I'm going to take my little bow and I'm going to just put it on right there in the center to start with. So I know where my starting point is. So I'm just going to put my little bow on there. And just hold that for a second. Okay, very cute. And then I'm going to start out by using these larger buttons in the corner of my frame. So all I do is with a button that has a shank on the back, I just take a heavy-duty pair of cutters that I have. You could use a heavy-duty pair of scissors or anything like that that you have to cut the shanks off. So I just press up with my left hand and press down with my right hand so I get as close as possible as I'm cutting. And then I'm just going to give my pliers a squeeze. And you can see sometimes it gives, you need a little arm strength for it, but then your shank is off and you can put that onto anything. So I'm just going to start simply gluing these on to the corners, just like so. And I'm just putting a little bit on the back and then setting them down into the corner. Just like that. And one more big one. Right there. Now, you could leave it like that. It looks absolutely adorable. You could put a name across the top with either vinyl, or if you have a nice paint pen, you could just do that. But I'm going to use these cute little glitter flowers that I have here. And I'm kind of going to lay them out here and see exactly where I want the colors, so I don't get the same colors next to each other. I think actually I might just do one in the center. And then we'll do maybe the pink one here. How's that look? Oh, I like that. I like the look of that. Okay, so we're just going to glue these on. And again, guys, the sky's the limit. Use as many as you like. Make it your own. And again, we're just hot gluing these adorable little flowers on. So here is our little frame finished. I just am in love. And you can take, you're going to get your little strings off. A little trick to get your glue gun strings off is just use a blow dryer, and it'll just get them all off of there for you and melt them. So on the back, I'm just going to take, and you can paint the back too if you wanted to, guys. I just didn't. And you just take your little stick and you just push it into the back of your frame. And then your frame will set up for you. I know it's hard to see at this angle, but it'll set up nice on the surface for you. See how that sits? So I hope you enjoyed this one, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.